Okay, now this is part of a roof repair, and so if you can see this hole here and this hole, someone has tried to repair this and didn't do too good of a job. So I added this extra board in here so I can these screws were just coming down through here and there was nothing attached to them, so I took them out and I added this extra piece in here that came out at the front end. So what I'm going to do is show you what I'm doing. Okay, I'm drilling holes so I can put the new screws through the wood. So then I'm going to use my silicone caulking to caulk it. So okay, now here is one of the screws going in, as you can see. Okay, now where those other two were sticking down, I went ahead and added another piece of wood in here. So now I'm going to put the bolts into them, the two last ones. And then I'm going to add my silicone. Okay. Now, on up through this line up here, down here, and on up through here is my silicone. So this is it for now.